These are darker up here. Let's just pop that in now. And you have some reflections down there of these. Again, subline, a bit of brown, bit of blue. Before I do that, let's scrape a few things that are on this side. Now we're coming slightly closer now, and we've got some trees on this bank. A bit more brown, a bit more blue, a bit more water. And these ones, don't forget to do the reflections at the same time. Makes it a lot easier than doing it afterwards. Big one up here. See if I can get this a little bit darker. A few twigs and branches. Let's go over that one a bit, darken it a little bit. Just using a narrower stroke now. These ones are slightly further away, so I just want to barely touching the paper. Thanks for watching. You can watch the full video demo of this one at patreon.com/Stephen Cronin.